Eyes are the most beautiful and mysterious part of our body. You can tell a lot about a person by looking at their eyes, and your eyes say a lot about you. But when it comes to the beauty of eyes, one of the key parts of eyes are eyelashes, and everyone wants a beautiful, dense and long eyelashes. A woman, particular, would do many things to have longer, fuller eyelashes.
The best way to get those sexy and long eyelashes is to apply eyelash growth serum, which is all natural and will definitely give the desired result.
Large eyelashes enhances the beauty of the eyes, and therefore, it is dream of every girl to have large eyelashes. Today in this video, I am going to share effective remedy to interpret your dream of large eyelashes. To prepare this remedy you will need 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of castor oil, a couple of tabs of vitamin E oil, 1 teaspoon of almond, 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil, -1 drop lavender essential oil. Pour all the oils in mascara bottle and shake well before use. Apply eyebrow and eyelash growth serum onto the baseline of your eyelashes and on eyebrows. To make sure that you are not overusing it, as it is recommended to use this serum with an eyeliner brush.